Okay, so I woke up this morning. It started yesterday, but I'm actually got a cold or either not sure what it is, but I'm getting tested actually at 10 a.m. today. So we're gonna have to kind of come up with an alternate plan for the WordPress portfolio website presentations. Um, so if I go to electronic design 2, these were due today. We were supposed to have presentations at 10 a.m. this morning, but I don't think I should have class when I'm feeling this sick. So um, I'm looking at the rubric here for the assignment, so just going to show you guys what I'm looking for. 3 pages, 8 images of your design or artwork, and text explaining your work. Features a contact form, personal logo, gallery, or slideshow is included somewhere, and you need to upload your URL for Brightspace. Recaptcha is extra credit this year. Mobile responsive, make sure every page looks good on mobile. You might have had to change some of the elements to make it look good for mobile if necessary. Google Analytics was connected to your website with a plugin, so that's worth 2 points. So make sure you do that. Website was secured with an SSL plugin. We did that in class. And video presentation explaining your website, going through the different pages. Your video shows that you have Google Analytics plugin in the backend or dashboard of your WordPress website, and it also shows the Google Analytics dashboard. So you need to log into Google Analytics and then show me the dashboard within Google Analytics as well. That should be populated with some data which proves it's actually hooked up. You might have to do the incognito window and then visit your site a couple times through an incognito window, and then refresh your Google Analytics dashboard, and then there should be at least one active user on your site when you go into Google Analytics, and that's in that video that I created in week 12 or 13. I'm not quite sure which week it was, but you just need to look through the content area and find that. Hooking up Google Analytics to your WordPress website. And if you do have Recaptcha hooked up, make sure you show that in your video to me so that I can give you the extra credit for that. So with the video, you'd actually go to Screencast-O-Matic. Maybe I'll do this in a different browser so that we can... So Screencast-O-Matic. And then you go here, go to Screen Recorder, and then launch Free Recorder. And it'll launch, and then it comes down here, and you actually just push record in the corner here. It's pretty self-explanatory, and then you can just start, recording. These don't have to be super professional or anything, but I just need you to show me the dashboard of your WordPress website. And show me your Google Analytics plugin, or if you have Recaptcha hooked up to your contact form. And then I need you to show me the dashboard of your Google Analytics site too, with the data that's updated, hopefully to show that it is actually hooked up and working. And then just go through your website, these are my pages, this is my work, this is my ideas, this is where this links to, like, just explain it, briefly. Each page, what you did on each page and that kind of thing. Just a general explanation of your idea and, the different things that you did with your website. So hopefully that should take care of this. We shouldn't have to meet. If you can take video and just kind of, I'm the only one that's going to be watching it, I think. And then after this, you guys will have to work on the next project, which is in the content area of electronic design 2. I believe it's in week maybe 13. But I'll go over that in the next video.